Rex, your love has come along and she's beside you. And Cherry, your life takes on a different flavor beginning today. Your lonely days are over. Love has come along and life has become like a song.
Ano isda ng nangarami?
Worth it pagbili ng collagen.
Mga girlies, ikakasal na ako!
Nanay, galing daw kay Tito.
Thank you! Cherry, take this simple gift na alam ko, yun yung laging sinasabi mo sa akin. At di na siya surprise dahil ikaw na rin yung pumili. Hope you're happy. I love you. Chup chup.
Chup chup na. Aray, chup chup.
I hit 16, thought it was kissing underneath the tree and saying, baby, you go with me. Baby, you go with me. Love has no limits and it has no creed. Love is everything. Love is the way of being. Love is the way of don't you forget. Love is the way of don't you fight. Love is the way. Love is the way.
And every wedding is beautiful because I believe deep in my heart that every wedding is made in heaven, designed by God Himself. Ito, plinano ng Diyos para sa inyong dalawa. Kaya nandito kayo ngayong hapon. At last.
Oh my God! True, our love story began later in life. You truly embody the saying, in His perfect time, the Lord will make it happen. And every moment of waiting was all worth it.
Do you remember?
Yung love story namin, actually, we met way back, as in way back, through common friend. And then, at that time, I have a boyfriend, he has a girlfriend. Pero friends lang din talaga kami. And then, yeah, we went on part ways, ganyan, separate lives, ganyan. And then, during pandemic, I reconnected with him. Kasi nga napanaginipan ko siya. Hindi ko alam ba't ko siya napanaginipan that night. Tapos yun nga, tapos then 2 weeks ko siyang hinanap ulit sa Facebook.
I want you to know I love you the most. I'll always be there right by your side.
It all started with a dream, and then came you. I prayed for a peace of mind and heart, and God saw my tears that night, and I believe He blessed me with the perfect answer, more than I could ever deserve.
Sobrang blessed ako na binigay ni Lord sa akin sila na hindi ko rin in-expect na talagang parang binigyan ng sign na binigyan ng na magtagpo kami na buong buhay ko siya accept at mamahalin.
It would be possible for you to be with me.
Sobra-sobra ako nagpapasalamat sa Panginoon sa pagsagot sa aking panalangin na magkaroon ako na maging kasama at kapuwang at mamahalin ko habang buhay at may makasama ko kayo, Michigan.
Rex, do you take Cherry here present before you to be your lawful wife according to the right of our Holy Mother, the Church?
Yes, I do.
Do you accept her as your lawful wife?
Yes, I do.
mine. I want you to know I love you the most.
I promise to love you faithfully through life's happiness and challenges, to stand by your side and listen to all your worries. I promise to hold your hand through every struggles and cheer you on your victory.
I want you to know that you'll be the one, and I'll be
From
the
now on, I want to wake up every morning with you beside me. We may start later in life. Chikay and I are so blessed to have you, a kind, responsible man with a very good heart in our lives.
Remember, I was on the aisle waiting for you, babe. Saw you in your gown, I was crying all my tears.
As what I said to you in my dream, sa wakas, nahanap na kita.
You are the one. I want you to know I love you the most. I'll always be there right by your side.
Kapag tayo ay tumanda, pumuti ang buhok, at nakalimot ka, andito laging nagmamahal, ipaparamdam, ipapaalala, na laging nag-aalaga at nag-aagapay na Rexon sa buhay.
And I'll be the guy you'll be on his knees.
Kayo ni Chikay ang biyaya sa akin ng may kapal, mamahalin, susuportahan at gagawa tayo ng buong pamilya.
Just give me you forever.
I will forever be thankful to God,
Just give
for
me
in
you
you I have found my
forever.
home, my love, my always,
Just give
and
me you
forever.
forever.